Most people think household cleaners are safe, but one wrong mix can release toxic gas in seconds. Bleach and vinegar may look harmless alone, but together, they can seriously damage your lungs. Many people mix cleaning products hoping for stronger cleaning power. Some combine bleach with vinegar, others mix toilet cleaners and disinfectants. But more chemicals does not mean better cleaning. When bleach mixes with acid-based cleaners like vinegar, it can create chlorine gas, a toxic chemical once used during World War I. Even small amounts can irritate your eyes, throat, and lungs. Exposure symptoms can start fast: coughing, burning eyes, chest pain, dizziness, trouble breathing. Children, elderly people, and even pets are at higher risk from toxic chemical exposure. And bleach is not the only danger. Mixing bleach with ammonia creates toxic chloramine vapors. These gases can severely damage the respiratory system and become life-threatening in enclosed spaces. Always read product labels carefully. Keep windows open for ventilation. Wear gloves to protect your skin. And store chemicals safely away from children and pets. One wrong chemical combination can turn ordinary cleaning into a medical emergency. Stay informed, stay safe, and remember, never mix cleaning chemicals unless the label says it is safe.